Dear boys, here we are going to discuss about the properties and testing of lubricants in the subject automotive fuels and lubricants. Here in this video we are going to discuss about thermal stability, oxidation stability, anti-wear and extreme pressure properties, corrosion resistance, foaming characteristics, demulsibility and lubricity. Let us discuss in detail. Thermal stability means the ability to resist breakdown at high temperatures. For example, during the high temperature, anything should not break down. The lubricants should have the ability to withstand the high temperature. So it has to resist the breakdown. The importance ensures the performance in high heat applications like turbines or engines. Next property is oxidation stability. We know oxidation takes place whenever it is possible. The resistance to chemical reaction with the oxygen, preventing sludge and varnish formation. So, when we are applying the lubricant, it should not react with anything in presence of oxygen to form either sludge or varnish. So the lubricant should have the stability. The importance extends the lubricant's life and maintains the performance. Next property is anti-wear and extreme pressure properties. So anti-wear, to resist from the wear, is more important for any vehicles or automobiles. Anti-wear and extreme pressure property is the ability to prevent wear and withstand high pressure conditions. In the high pressure conditions, every moving parts should be used without friction by using the lubricant. So the lubricant has the importance which is critical for gears and heavily loaded machinery. So gears and heavily loaded machineries should have the anti-wear and extreme pressure property. Corrosion resistance is the most important property of a lubricant. Corrosion resistance is the ability to protect the material surface from rust and corrosion. Corrosion resistance means the ability to protect the material surface from rust and corrosion. You are seeing the pipe duly corroded. The importance of corrosion resistance extends the equipment's life, especially in humid or corrosive environment. The next property is foaming characteristics. Foaming characteristics is the tendency to form foam under agitation. It requires in excessive foaming reduces the lubrication efficiency and can lead to cavitation. To avoid the cavitation, the lubricant should have the foaming characteristics. The next property is demulsibility. Demulsibility is the ability to separate from water. The lubricant should be separated from the water. It means that demulsibility prevents the emulsion formation in the systems exposed to water. The last property we are discussing here is the lubricity. Lubricity is the effectiveness in reducing friction under the boundary lubrication condition. So it is the effectiveness in reducing the friction under the boundary lubrication. It ensures smooth operation in low speed and high load conditions. When the lubricant is having the property of lubricity, the lubricant can work in low speed as well as high load conditions. Thank you.